dancing on a brownstone step. Secrets that the night has always kept. A lonely trumpet from a second floor, begging for a love that isn't there no more. The streets are slick like a raven's wing. I'm waiting for the morning and the hope it brings. The ghost of Duke is in the humid air. You can feel the magic of the music there, falling down like Harlem Rain, a sweet baptizing for the weary and the plain. Wash the soul, let the blues run deep, while the rest of the city is fast asleep. Corner store preacher with a cardboard sign, saying the end is near, but the soul is fine. He's got a rhythm in his raspy voice, making every sinner